Welcome to the final assembly hangar. These massive jigs ensure precision alignment of the raw structures. Steady descent, maintaining tolerance.
Checking lasers now. We are perfectly aligned.
This one is calibrated.
Okay, let's start the fastening sequence.
Torque wrench engaged. Setting to 75 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Alignment is perfect.
Go ahead and torque it down.
Reading 45 Newton meters. Secure.
Cross-referencing the schematic for the final connection point.
It aligns perfectly with the routing plan. We are good to proceed.
The tolerance here seems slightly off according to the tablet data.
Let me check the calibration on the laser tool.
Clear on the left side. Maintain current trajectory. We are centered for final approach.
Alignment confirmed on Sector 4. Clear to proceed with micro adjustments. Roger that. Proceeding.
We are clear on the outboard side. Keep coming up slowly.
Copy. Slow lift continuing. Confirmed alignment markers visible. Check the forward strut bolts torque.
Verified. Diagnostics are showing green on pylon 4. Let's clear the composite inspection.
Alignment check on Sector 4.
We are clear by 5 centimeters. Proceed slowly.
Okay, team, steady lift. Watch your clearances.
Confirmed. We are aligned with the pylon.
Just a few more inches, looking good.
Torque check on bolt 14.
Reading nominal. Sequence complete.
Set to 50 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Starting the torque sequence now.
Fasteners secure on housing unit B. Hydraulic line pressure check, green. Documentation confirms installation parameters met.
Installation point secured.
Verified. All parameters are green.
Okay, Okay, slowly push it in. I've got the pin aligned on this side. Good, engaging the lock now.
For structural lock-in, use the calibrated torque tool. Tighten until you hear the confirming click and the green indicator light flashes. Movement clearance confirmed on the primary actuator.
Recording verification.
Movement clearance confirmed on the primary actuator.
Recording verification.
Easy now. Watch the alignment on the left side.
Got it. Applying torque now. Here are the 3 clicks.
If you're enjoying this aircraft manufacturing process so far, make sure to like this video to support the channel.
Okay, smooth it down, starting from the center. Like this. Like this. Perfect. Now secure the edges. Wires are secure. Hand me the torque wrench, please. Here you go, making sure it's snug. Perfect fit. The routing looks clean. Check the schematic here, it looks good.
Agreed. Let me just confirm the torque setting on this boat. Okay, it passes inspection.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side ribbing.
Copy that, moving down.
Okay, easy forward now, center it up. Module aligned. Confirming position E-4. Confirmed. Secure the clamps.
Electrical connections secure. Water lines checked.
Power connection secure. Go ahead and cycle the bus ties.
Cycling now. We have stable power confirmed, all indicators green.
All parameters are reading green.
Confirmed. Sequence complete.
Interior cycling looks good.
Confirmed. Check the landing light sequence.
Looks nominal from here.
Stable reading confirmed. We are fully pressurized.
Noted. Good work.
Full deflection achieved on the right cycle. Looks nominal.
Confirmed. Logging the results now.
Engine electronic check complete.
Pressure stable, Captain. Ready to proceed.
No leaks detected on the main line.
Roger that. Data logged.
Fuselage inspection complete. Panel alignment looks good. No issues with the composite near the wing root. Logging the data now.
Bring it forward slowly now.
Okay, hold it right there.
We're connected.
Tow bar connected. Brakes released. Commencing pushback now.
Right turn complete, centering now. Systems check nominal.
Affirmative, good to go.
Ground confirms brake application test successful. Rolling.
Systems check is complete, all green.
Confirmed. We are set at the hold line.
Look at the hydraulics on the right main gear here.
That's within the expected variance. We can sign off on this section. All sensors verified and logged.
Yeah.
Roger that, looks good.
Confirming aircraft ready status. Are we clear for pushback?
Affirmative, team lead. All checks complete.
A little closer, then stop.
Stop it now.
Pin is secured, you got the thumbs up.
Stability is nominal.
Agreed. Final assurance passed.
Great work, Captain.
Couldn't have done it without the team. She's beautiful.
If you haven't watched our detailed aircraft assembly video, click on this video now.